Today I'm going to show you how to replace the lower grille on a 2021 or newer Gen 3 Ford F-150 Raptor. As you can see, I ordered my truck with a block heater, and because of that, it comes with this hole in the lower grille so that you can access the block heater cord to plug it in. I'm not going to use the block heater very often, so I went ahead and purchased the grill piece for a Raptor without the block heater option, and I'm going to replace the one on the truck with this one here. I've already popped these panels off so they are loose just to make it easier for the video, but I'll show you what you need to do. So the first thing is to pop these two plastic panels off the outside. Basically what you need to do is you can use a small pry tool like this, pop the clips off. Basically you just need to pry them straight out. Here's what the clips look like, just to give you an idea. Most of my clips stayed in the hole like this and didn't come out on the plastic panel, and we'll get those out in a minute. So we've got the driver's side one off. Over here to the passenger side. And we'll pop that one off. Once you've got that off, the lower grill piece has the same style of clips, so you can get your fingers behind there and pull it out. I removed the clips already, like I said. When you get it out, there's one of these Christmas tree plugs holding the block heater cord to the grill, so you can pop that out, and another clip holding the cord down there. So once you've got that off, you can go in and get the rest of the clips off. Now it's kind of hard to see, but when they get stuck in here, you just pull up on those little tabs, or you can reach your hand in, set the camera back down here, pull those little tabs, and get the clips out. Alright, once you've got that off, I'm going to pop the new grill on. The grill is pretty much symmetrical. I don't believe there's any top or bottom. And the new grill does come with the clips right on it, so go ahead and put that in. Pop that in place like so. Then after that, any of the clips that don't come off these outer pieces with it, you can just push them back on like so. This one goes over here. Oops, and we've got to get a couple of the clips out of here. So, same as before. Get those out. Get the other one out. All right. And we can pop this in. Pops right in. Same thing on this side. Put the clips back on. Got to straighten out one of the little things that hold the clips on here a little bit. That's all right. You can just push them in with a screwdriver. Do it a little off camera here. Now put that back on. Push that on there. Pop that in, and there you go. No hole in the grill anymore. And I'll just tie up the cord to the inside of the grill here, and it'll still be there, pretty easy to get to if you do need it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will put the part number to the grill piece without the hole in the description of the video. Thanks.